So, good morning, unless it's good night or good afternoon wherever you are, but for me it's good morning. And I'm sitting here drinking my coffee. I just got done doing some devotionals. Yesterday was a little bit of a sad day for me because I got some sad news that a dear friend of mine had passed away. The one grateful thing that's in my heart is that I know that she has salvation through Jesus Christ, and I don't have to worry about how she feels anymore. But it's still sad in my heart. So, that being said, I wanted to jump on here and get ready to plan my day. There's a lot going on. And just so you know, sitting down and talking to that and there's no response is one of the hardest things that I have ever done. And trying to be real, be genuine, and be myself. So that's what I really am trying to do. And it's not easy. If you haven't done it, you should try it. Anyway, that being said, I've been doing a lot of creating new video posts, new tutorials. I'm trying to get ahead of the game here because my schedule is about ready to go through the roof. And the reason for that is that Kids Art Camp is coming up. And I love this time of year when I get to have all the kids that come in and we have Kids Art Camp. I do morning and afternoon sessions, and a couple of weeks in the summer I also offer evening sessions for kids that can't make it during the day. So it's a lot of fun. I get to work directly with the kids and encourage them and get them excited about creativity. So that's an exciting time for me. I also get to be a part of our Vacational Bible School at our local church, and I do a paint event there. So it's very exciting, a lot coming up, not to mention a wedding up in Connecticut. I'm in Pennsylvania, so it's a little bit of a hike, not too far, but some travel time involved. So there's a lot going on. I also wanted to thank you, the subscribers, those that have recently subscribed to me, and all of the subscribers. I appreciate it, and I hope that I can do you right and give you content that is engaging, worthwhile for you to watch. I need your help. I'm asking you, please let me know. Let me know what you would like to see, especially in regards to tutorials. Is there something that you want to learn? Is there something I can help you with? If you want to send me an email message, you can email me at paintjubilee@gmail.com, and I'll put it on the screen right here. So that's one way you can reach out to me. All of this, the YouTube channel and everything, is all new to me. I've never used this technology in this way before. So it's taking me a little bit to figure out how to navigate my way through some of it. One of the things that I know is a challenge in some of my tutorials is the audio quality. And just so you know, I am aware of it and I am addressing it. I'm researching now the best way that I can help my audio, maybe by wearing a clip audio that will attach to my system here so that I can give you better sound quality. So I did want to let you know that I'm aware of that. If you have any suggestions, I'm just using an iPad Pro for my recording. So if you know of any great sound systems or audio systems that would work well with this, help me out here and put it in the comments or email it to me. I would really appreciate any help I can get. I'm still working on my lighting situation to try to make sure when I'm filming you have the best lighting situation possible, while still being able to try to navigate to show you how to do the things that I'm showing you. So like I said before, it's all a learning process, and I'm learning tons. I've learned a lot of stuff, and it's really exciting for me. It's another jump in growth, so to speak. Let's see, what else did I want to talk about? I did ask you, what would you like to see? You know, are there any techniques or any kind of things that you would like to learn? I really would like to get input from you. I'll continue to come up with ideas on my own if I don't hear from anybody, but I really would like to have some engagement from you, the viewer. What would you like to see? Anyway, I'm working on a new body of work, which is kind of exciting. I'm not going to give any spoilers right now, but I'm pretty excited about it. I feel really good about it. I feel like the Lord is leading me in a nice direction with it. That's always good. Give Him the wheel. My driving is terrible, if you know what I mean. I don't know, can you relate? I've certainly made a lot of my fair share of bad choices. I am so grateful that I have the grace of God on my side. If I got what was due to me, I'd just be doomed the rest of my life. But through the grace of God, He loves me anyway. It's unbelievable. If you have any questions about that too, are you curious? What are you talking about? I'm talking about salvation through Jesus Christ. If you'd like to know more about that, email me at the email address below. And I'd be more than happy to share with you the life-changing event that took place for me. I've got lots of kids signed up for kids camp. A whole lot. This is my 4th or 5th year of doing kids camp, and my first week's completely booked. I usually have no more than 9 kids. So I have 18 kids the first week, which I'm really excited about. And I like having the small classes. That way I get to work directly with them in a little bit more one-on-one. I just love children. You know, children, when they're young, they're not scared to try things. They're not scared to take chances and to just do it. I teach a lot of different classes for kids and adults, and sometimes combined, kids and adults. And it's interesting to watch the adults hesitate and hem and haw, scared to make a mistake, where the kids will just jump right in. Now, of course, I get one every once in a while who's a little timid and scared to make a mistake, but it's usually the adults. So what I love doing when the kids come in is embracing this knowledge with them and encouraging them not to lose that. Because with art, you can't make a mistake. You can do something you didn't intentionally plan on doing, but you can always change it or go with it. Sometimes I find when I do something I didn't plan on doing, it might be a hand from God saying, you know what, if you did it like this, it might work out better for you. So I always embrace my mistakes, as people call them. I just call them a change in direction. So that's what's going on with me. Getting ready to be super crazy busy. I am trying to upload every Thursday, and when the fall comes, I will probably try to increase to 2 times a week. But for right now, because I know that my summer schedule is going to be absolutely nuts, I won't have time to do it. So I don't want to commit to that. But I'm going to commit to, God willing, posting every Thursday by 8 p.m. So you can look to have those videos uploaded. So, and I'm not going to edit this video much at all. You're going to see me raw, see me stumble over my words, which I do a lot. One of these days, I'd love to post a video of bloopers of me trying to record, not knowing what I'm doing. I play back and I just am laughing at my own self. I guess it's a good thing if you can laugh at yourself, right? Anyway, you all have a blessed day, and I am going to get creating. I'm going to work on another tutorial for you if you want to watch it. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you all another time. Have a good day.